Hi, I'm Jenna with Monument Pharmacy. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the micro pen, or sometimes we call it the M pen. This is what it looks like. So if you receive this from Monument Pharmacy, you will also receive a little blue cheat sheet with the medication, and it just gives you a little bit more information on it. You are first going to want to look at the prescriber's instructions here, and that's just going to tell you the dose or how many clicks. It'll also tell you the frequency of dosing and also some storage information. So to get started, you simply just twist off the blue cap, which exposes the white soft applicator here, and that's where the medication is going to come out. So for example, let's say my doctor prescribed me some medicine and she wants it in the M pen here, and she says that I get one dose every other day. You would click it here, and it's a metered dose, so it's super easy to use and you can't go wrong. Each click is going to be 0.05 milliliters. You can see the medication came out there. So you would just simply rub in your dosed medication from your prescriber, 10-15 seconds until it's all rubbed in there. And you can see that it's getting absorbed. And cover with your sleeve and get on with your day. Put the blue cap on so the medication doesn't dry out, and store it as indicated. Now, however, you could also use a gloved finger. I use the applicator right there, but if you wanted to use your finger, please have a barrier. It's very important to either use a gloved hand, a finger cot, or even some patients have said that they use just a Ziploc baggie. But because the medication inside is transdermal, or absorbed through your skin, you want to make sure that you reduce the risk of exposing other people, if loved ones nearby, or your pets. Or if you're using it for your pet, you don't want to absorb their medication. So that's very important. You also never want to use a cotton ball to apply the medication, because the cotton ball will absorb the medication and then your dosage will not be correct after that. Okay, so another option is if your veterinarian prescribes this for your cat or your dog. For a dog, you would want to, a lot of people just shave off a little bit on their stomach and apply it that way transdermally and let it absorb. For your cat, it can be a little trickier, but not as tricky as giving it a pill. So a lot of people like this method. This is the only kind of cat I can have in this house, but a lot of people, it's nice to put a little towel around if you don't have anybody helping you administer the dose. And this just gives you a little bit more control, keeps the cat from pawing at you. And so let's say that my cat's veterinarian prescribed 2 clicks. Let's do 1 click for my little stuffed animal here. 1 click, medication comes out. And again, I can apply it directly with the applicator, or I can put on a gloved thumb, which the cat might like a little bit more. You can see it there. On a cat, you're going to want to put it right on the inside of the ear there, where you can see that there's not a lot of fur or hair. You do not want to put it on the back of the ear, and you never want to stick it right down into the canal. Just rub it right in there again for 10-15 seconds until it is well absorbed. At this time, while you still have your cat, and to make it easy on you, it's smart to have a wet washcloth or a cotton ball, and you can clean out the opposite ear, the one you did not put medication in, because it might have some residue, some medication left behind from the last dose that you gave it. So it's good to get into that habit of giving them the dose, cleaning this ear, and then tomorrow or whenever your vet's frequency is, you rotate ears. So tomorrow I would be giving the medication in this ear, cleaning this ear, and that just sets you up that you're all ready to go. And then of course, give your cat a little love, a little treat, so that they'll want to come back and do it again. So of course, throw away your gloves, put the cap back on so the medication doesn't dry out, store it as indicated. And then if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to stop by or give us a call. We would love to help you out.